Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection back again with the newest news as we always never promised. Today we brought for you Apple Pencil and I already actually put out the nylon to check it on post that this is my Apple Pencil or no. This is, they say, third generation. I don't understand why the third generation is second generation, because they just create two, Apple Pencil 1 and Apple Pencil 2. Here is the box, okay. Here is the made in China, sure, designed by California, okay. Here, sorry guys, I don't know where I put my selfie stack. This is gonna be suffer to put out him. Okay, everything is okay. Easy guys, easy. Let's see. Oh, catalog. Okay, nothing here. User guide as usual. They say you how to put out, rule it. Bullshit. Let's get to the pencil. Okay, this is the pencil. Here there is nylon. I don't know what is this. He's kinda heavy, but the cool thing that he's magnetic, you got me. Okay, let's talk about something important now. Oh la la. Listen, number one, don't drop this pencil from your hand to the ground. I'll tell you why. You know there is sensor here for the pencil when you draw smoothly and when you draw heavy. You press on it so he draw heavy bending, okay? If you drop this pencil on the ground once or twice or third time or one time hardly, for example in beton or anything, you have to know that this pencil will screwed up. He will not work well. I have my friend, he have Apple Pencil, okay? He drop him in the ground and he fall like this. He fall in the head and he fall in the ground. When he draw with it, it's not draw well anymore. And when he press deeply, it's not do. Sometimes it's lagging, sometimes. So I want to tell you something, be careful to drop it in the ground. And don't buy used one or unless you check it. You know why? Because he have, as I told you, sensor here. It's screwed up and this will not going to work with you anyway. I want to tell you something else, guys. What a shame that this pencil for sale. Why Apple do not give it with iPad as free, like what Samsung do? Why do you not give it for free? Why do you give it for money? This is kind of shame. Apple, you earn. I mean, monthly you earn minimum you earn monthly. I would say monthly they earn minimum from 100 to 150 million dollar. Okay, I mean this company here incoming is huge as fuck, and you still pencil to your customers. This is kind of shame. I mean, to be honest with you guys, I try Samsung Note Tab S6 is have option more than iPad Pro that I have. Let's be honest. And they give pencil, they give everything. Here they not give you anything, even this. And they not sell it for you for $20-30. No, it's cost fucking $200. It's cost me $200 this pencil, for which with delivery it's cost me $200, 160 without and 200 with delivery. For which happiness? Why is like this? What's on it? And why nothing from Apple's come for free? They earn them bucket full and they never say thanks God. Let's mercy people. Everything is they push it for money. Everything, no mercy in them heart. Anyway, guys, this was my opinion, and I will talk about issues that I found in iPad Pro that you should be careful before you buy. So guys, thanks. We'll see you again with another video with Hatem for Objection, and don't forget to put thumbs up or thumbs down as you wish. And peace and love for everyone.